Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at Whitestone Reit. We'll be having a look at the company and the stocks and shares. Now, Whitestone Reit is not just buildings. They actually create environments where people can enjoy themselves, like shopping malls. So at the moment, they are really hard hit with everything being closed. But as soon as we can go back to normal and go shopping, I believe they will thrive again in the future. So let's have a look at all their properties. So these are all the buildings that have places that you can lease for your shops. So we've got the Anthem Marketplace, BLVD Place. So there's quite a few. If you scroll down, you can actually see where they've got places to be out leased and which ones are fully leased at the moment. So there's quite a few big shopping malls in these. So people can lease buildings within their main buildings to open their shops. So let's have a look at the investors. So in the investors overview, you will see it's a ticker symbol WSR with a current price of $6.99 at the moment with a change of 3.59%. If you have a look, Whitestone Reit is a pure play community-centered retail REIT that acquires, owns, manages and develops and redevelops high quality e-commerce, resident, neighborhood, community and lifestyle retail centers, principally located in the largest, fastest growing and most affluent market. Now you're welcome to go and have a deeper look into this company, into their dividends, their financial reports, into their corporate responsibilities, news and events that's coming up and resources. And then they also have their annual shareholders meeting, which is in May. So that will be happening next year. So let's go have a look at the shares. If you're getting value so far, please hit that like button so it turns blue and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So today we are looking at Whitestone Reit, ticker symbol WSR. Now they have been trading over $10 for the last couple of years and they have been hard hit with everything going on as well. So they have gone down quite a bit, but I think they will be able to recover when we all can go back to the shops again. So let's have a look at the dividends. Now the dividend yield is a 5.79%. This is an annual payout of 42 cents. Now the payout ratio for the dividends is only 45%, which is nice and low. Now the dividend growth history has gone down, but I'll show you in a minute where that has actually happened, and that's caused a 0% dividend growth. Now this is a monthly dividend. Company, and they're paying at the moment 0.035. Now let's have a look at the dividend history. Now as you can see, over the last few years they've been paying 0.095 cents, and they've been paying that since 2012, and it's been constant except for the end of last year where it's dropped quite a bit, and with everything going on it had to go drop back. But as you can see, in the beginning of the year they were hoping to get back to that level, and at the beginning of 2020 they did try and get the dividends back to where it used to be to give that constance for their investors, but with everything going on, unfortunately they had to fall back to a lower dividend. So hopefully soon the shops will be able to open and in the future our dividends will be going up again. So having a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see the market cap is 296 million and the average range for the stock share in the last 52 weeks is $4.71 and $14.12. So let's scroll down. So if we have a look at the earnings, at the end of 2019, they've met their earnings. The beginning of 2020, they beat their earnings. And then with everything going on, they really missed because with all the lockdowns, it's been really hard on the company. If we have a look at the recommendations at the moment, you will see there is a lot of buys and a lot of holds and 2 sells. But the overall rating for this share is a 2.7, which is between a buy and a hold. If you have a look at the analyst price, you will see the current price is $6.99. The low price normally is $8 and the average is $9.50 with a high of 11 at the moment. So even if this share is not a long-term to have a look at maybe for the next 15 years, but it's definitely a short-term look for me at the moment. And if it goes back to its all-time high, I still make a profit of over 100%. So at the moment, this is a buy for me, and I have bought a few of these shares for my portfolio. I leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any questions for me or any topic requests, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.